Hi beautiful, it's been a couple of weeks since the ANZAC day, and as I was editing my vlog from that day, the intro got corrupted. It is where I was talking about the ANZAC day and what it meant, and I showed you guys where the hill is and the fortress that we went to. So basically ANZAC day is Australian New Zealand Army Corps, so it's dedicated for military and whoever served during the war. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and it's not gonna be a lot of talking because we're under the tunnel and it was quite loud due to the amount of people that went. But yeah, I hope you still enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye. Hi everyone, we just got home. Sorry for the noise. I'm just boiling water for a cup of tea because I don't know, I just feel cold. And the weather today was actually perfect. It wasn't very cold, it wasn't windy at all, and it was sunny, so that was great. Overall, it was a great experience to actually see the fortress. Like, it's relatively small, but it's quite big at the same time when you're actually there, which is pretty good. And yeah, it was nice. Like, we were probably there the whole afternoon, and it was a great learning experience to see like New Zealand Army and their weapons and whatnot. So, and we get to see a view of the whole Wellington, which is pretty cool. Lots of kids, lots of dogs as well. I kind of feel sorry for the dogs because like most of them are scared of tunnels, and also the fact that there's a lot of noise, so they get freaked out and then they get paranoid and stuff. But then yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and until the next vlog, bye. Hi guys, I am actually digging my makeup at the moment, and I just used the Misha BB cream, which I reviewed a long time ago. I will try to link the review down below, but I use my fingers to apply it, and it feels very lightweight. It feels very great on my skin. It has SPF. The match is quite off, but I mean with a bit of powder foundation and whatnot, it matches perfectly. So today it's currently 1:34 p.m. and it's Thursday, and I have work in about an hour and a half. So thankfully it's a good day today because I'm walking to work, and I'm not really one to walk under the rain. And yeah, for some reason today my nose has been really stuffy and runny. Like, I'm not sick or anything, but I feel like it's always like this during winter time, where once the temperature hits cold, my body just deflates. Like, my hands are always cold, the tip of my nose is always cold, and it's runny at the same time. My eyes is a little bit watery, but I'm totally fine. Like, I feel fine. So yeah, and yesterday was ANZAC Day, and also yesterday was the premiere of the Avengers, the Infinity Wars, and oh my goodness, we've been trying to get hold of the readings website. It was down, and today I checked, all the seats were booked. The only ones that are left were right in the front of the cinema, and I don't want to sit like right in front of the screen because I already have bad eyes and I don't want to make it worse. So I think we're going to wait until Saturday to kind of get everyone in the way of watching it, you know, because it's a new movie, it's school holidays, every kid in this town is watching it. So yeah, so we'll wait until Saturday to book the ticket. And yeah, so today nothing much happened. I edited one video today, and then I edited one for Instagram, which is a new thing for me. Like, I kind of enjoy doing a preview video on Instagram, and yeah, so I'm doing that. And also I'm trying to list down things that I need before packing, because we're going away in 2 weeks. Oh my god, I can't believe it's already almost there. But yeah, I'm quite excited actually. I've already talked to my cousins and friends and stuff on what to do, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. And I don't know, like, I have not been vlogging daily, so I might do like a weekly vlog kind of thing. It depends how I feel. But yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. Good morning, beautiful. I probably look a hot mess, but it's seriously life. That's life. We can't always look good in front of the camera. But anyway, I'm just doing like a wee update if you hear a noise in the background, that's the heater going. I have been having troubles with my computer because the charger is just not charging my computer properly, and I feel like my computer is due for a battery replacement as well. That's the only problem about Macs, like you can't easily access stuff in terms of repairing it, so that has to wait because I'm going away next week and I'm so excited. Anyway, last night I got my brows fixed, so I went to Off and On again, which is my trusted brow place. They seriously do the best when it comes to brows, so I got it tinted and it looks pretty nice. Like, I'm so happy that my brows are finally fixed and well groomed. So that's that. Yeah, so today is Thursday. It's around 10:30 in the morning, I think. So I have work at 3 p.m. today. So I'm just going to do a bunch of packing. As always, I've been trying to pack and repacking my makeup bag because I was thinking of carrying a huge makeup bag, but then I thought about it. I'm like, oh, I'm going to a tropical country, chances are I'm not even going to use all of the stuff that I'm going to take, but we'll see. This will be interesting. And also I was thinking of doing my cousin's makeup just for fun and hopefully film it. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. And my bags are getting worse and worse each day, but my skin though, it's getting a lot better. I still have to edit and do a final verdict on the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. Today is so cold. It's finally winter in Wellington and I wasn't prepared at all, honey, because last week the weather was cold, but then throughout the day it got warmer, but now it's just like intense cold, which I'm having difficulty in catching up, but then eventually we'll get there. I will see you guys in the next vlog.